Nestled in the heart of Ubon Ratchathani, Thailand, lies Do House, a stunning country home that seamlessly blends modern design with the beauty of nature. This video takes you on a journey through this architectural masterpiece, where every element is crafted to heighten your senses and connect you with the surrounding environment. Step inside and discover the heart of the home, the courtyard. Imagine a double-height space bathed in sunlight filtering through a mesmerizing roof dotted with openings. Rain and sunshine gently touch the foliage below, creating a calming and ever-changing ambience. This innovative design allows the family to feel the rhythm of nature throughout the day, from the warmth of the morning sun to the refreshing coolness of the evening breeze. Do House beautifully balances the need for privacy with a sense of connection to the community. The architects cleverly designed two access routes. The main entrance welcomes guests through a captivating sequence, offering glimpses into family life while maintaining a sense of privacy. This contrasts with the family's private entrance, prioritizing tranquility and seclusion. Imagine lying on the cool floor of the courtyard. Feel the sun's gentle warmth on your skin, smell the sweet fragrance of morning dew clinging to the leaves, and listen to the soft rustle of foliage carried by the wind. The architect has meticulously designed the space to engage all your senses, creating a haven of peace and rejuvenation. Do House transcends mere architecture. It fosters a sense of connection between family members, with nature, and with the surrounding community. The courtyard acts as the central stage, where residents interact and share moments. The study, with its platform overlooking the court, invites contemplation, while the kitchen allows the homeowner to cook while enjoying the gentle sway of the trees. Upstairs, a cozy snug provides a space for family bonding outside their private bedrooms. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home. Do House is more than just a country home, it's a sanctuary, a canvas for simple living, and a testament to the power of architecture to connect us with the natural world. Here, the focus is not on the building itself, but on the experience it creates, a place to heighten your senses, rest your soul, and appreciate the beauty of life in harmony with nature.